everyone, and welcome back to Delta Force Studios. Today, I will show you how to use the function Optimize Phantom Position. This function was further improved in the November 2021 version, where we added the possibility to automatically use the position correction in all measurements performed on the same day. Optimize Phantom Position works best when it is applied to a plan level of the measurement. Right-click on the plan level in the patient tree and select Optimize Phantom Position. After calculation, you can choose to either accept the new position or cancel without changing the position. The function finds the position that gives the lowest mean gamma value by virtually shifting the phantom in the X, Y, and Z direction. In order to apply the position shift to the measurements performed on the same day, click on Set Daily Correction button at the lower part of the screen. Select Set Daily Position and in the dialog choose Import Position from the selected measurement and then click OK. Now the shift will be applied automatically to the following measurements. This will reset automatically the next day. If you have any questions or need a quotation for a service contract, please feel free to contact us at support@scandidose.com. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos from Delta Force Studios. See you soon!